There are other product management courses also that other people other than upGrad offer. So was the fact that your wife was already from upGrad, was that the only sort of decision maker, or did you also, research ki aur kaun se hai, and then eventually chose upGrad? And if the latter is the case, then why upGrad?
I have seen my wife struggling with assignments and contents and within her domain, obviously. So I realized that there is something to it. It's not just an online course what you usually envisage. So that's obviously one of the factors. If you have an alumni within your family, that always matters. And then of course I went through the content and spoke to a couple of other folks, looked at the course material and stuff like that, and then decided to subscribe for it.